Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel useNfix. In today's video, I'll be showing you DraftKings Casino app, what it is and how to use it. Let's get started. The DraftKings Casino app is a real money online casino where you can play popular games like slots, blackjack, roulette and live dealer tables right on your phone. It's currently legal in states like New Jersey, Pennsylvania, Michigan, West Virginia and Connecticut. To play, you must be physically located in one of these states and the app uses location services to verify that. Now, to use it, you need to go to the App Store and download your app if you haven't. So search DraftKings Casino on your search bar at the top, and after the icon pops up, tap on that, then tap on install and open up your app. Once opened up, tap sign up and enter your personal details like name, email and date of birth. You'll also need to provide info to verify your identity. This is required by law to confirm your legal age. Turn on location services so the app can verify you're in a legal state. Now to start playing, tap on your profile icon right at the top of the page. Right here, tap on that. Then choose deposit. You'll have the deposit option in your profile. DraftKings support different payment methods like online banking, debit cards and PayPal depending on your state. Once funded, explore the game lobby. You'll see sections like trending games, new releases, table games and live dealer. Tap any game to open it. You'll see the rules, minimum bets and a play now button. Whether it's spinning slots or joining a live blackjack table, everything is just one tap away. If you win and want to cash out, tap on your profile again, then tap on withdraw. Enter the amount, choose your method like bank transfer or PayPal and confirm. Withdrawals usually take a few business days depending on the method. DraftKings also has a responsible gaming section in settings. Here you can set deposit limit, pending caps or time reminders to help you stay in control. Remember, casino gaming should always be as entertainment, not a way to make money. And that's it. That's how you can use the DraftKings Casino app step by step. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe and leave your question in the comments. Thank you for watching. Bye.